brand new Dogecoin after all of the Elon Musk SNL and now launching a satellite onto the moon called Doge 1, paid for entirely by Dogecoin. What's going on? My name is Andrew. This is the crypto update for the day, and today's spotlight is understanding exactly where Dogecoin is going and the new Doge, Shiba coin. Right, understanding a little bit more about where Shiba is going. Let's take a look at this tweet from 17 hours ago. Elon Musk, after going on SNL, talking about Dogecoin not once, not twice, but a couple of times, a handful of times, and none of them very positive. Let's count them off, right? Well, despite the fact that this didn't launch Dogecoin into the stratosphere, let's take a look at where Dogecoin is right now. DOGE. Oh, what technical trading app am I using right now? This is called cheat code algorithm based on a plugin. It's a plugin for your normal trading view, which is a free application, right? Cheat code isn't, but if you want to be able to grab your cheat code in the description down below, it's going to be able to help you not only with your stocks, but also with your crypto predictions, making swing trading a little bit easier. So Doge USD, Dogecoin is currently at around 53 cents after trending up and up and up all the way up to 70-ish cents here, right as Mr. Elon took the stage, where it plummeted down to 40 cents, bouncing off from there. 4 out of 4 buy signal here. I'm going to press tab so you guys can see. If you were looking at this tasty dip and thinking when is the right time to buy, well, you would have been given this indicator here, and this one here to be able to connect the dots and see a 4 out of 4 buy signal thanks to cheat code algorithm. So it works for crypto, it also works for stocks. You would have been able to jump back on, and now you would be sitting pretty after a buy-in about 46 cents, right? You would have gone all the way up to 58. The thing about Dogecoin right now is that it is losing steam based on a buy the rumor, sell the news approach. We bought the rumor that Elon going on to SNL was going to make huge headwind for the Dogecoin, and Dogecoin to $1 seemed like it was almost in reach. And personally, even I am pretty curious about why this tweet did not set off Dogecoin like Elon was able to set off Bitcoin when he talked about accepting Bitcoin in Tesla dealerships. When he's not only talking about the satellite being called Doge and sending it to the moon, but he's also paying it in Dogecoin, first crypto in space, first meme in space. Seems like he's breaking a couple of records, and yet people are not as excited about this. This price action is still staying stagnant. If you want to know when's the best time to jump in, I think cheat code could be able to help you out with that. But back to SHIB. This is what some are calling the new Doge. So if you guys watch until the end, you'll be able to learn a little bit more about exactly how this is classified as new Doge. From Benzinga, Shiba Inu's SHIB ticker price grows by 150% as major crypto exchanges list it. Right? They nearly doubled its value over the last 24 hours after the world's top cryptocurrency exchange, Binance, announced that it would list it. So we have here, go away. We have here a buy signal here, as well as a swing signal down below. There, let me move my chart so you guys can see. So this swing signal here, this buy signal here would have let you have a pretty close encounter with this massive price action upward. So you would have gone from, gosh, I don't know, 0.00011 to 0.00032. So that is a crazy 200% rise, but then simmers down to 25. So that's about like a 100% rise. That's why they say double. After the world's top cryptocurrency exchange, Binance, announced it would list it. According to CoinMarketCap data, Shiba Inu's is about 1,000% up after getting the Dogecoin treatment and skyrocketing for no apparent reason. On Monday, the Ethereum-based crypto token saw its price increase 149% from its 24-hour low of 0.00 blah, 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 to its current price of blah, 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 blah. following Binance's listing announcement. Binance explains that Shiba Inu is an experiment in decentralized community building and another meme coin similar to Dogecoin that also works as the incentive for using its dedicated decentralized crypto asset exchange Shiba Swap. So that gives you a clear sense of where we are talking about here. Exchange warrants that number 2, 1, 2, and 5 wallets hold 50%, 7%, and 3% of total supply respectively, meaning that it takes a single user to cause a severe crash in price. So this is dangerous to say the least, right? And people have been talking about the fact that these giants are going to be the main difference between a Doge-like phenomenon for a crypto, once again, that is not backed in scarcity, right? Like Bitcoin is. There's only a certain amount of Bitcoin that can ever exist. So when you see these sell signals on cheat code algorithm, it's probably a good time, especially with risk averse like me, to jump off. And that's a quick update from Benzinga. So once again, hopefully you guys enjoyed that very brief update about where the cryptocurrency world is going. So as a channel for financial education, being able to build on what we have learned, not only from a stock point of view, right, for the GME and AMC meme stocks, but also being able to then toss your hat into the crypto world, right, diversify, make sure that you have understood exactly how these cryptocurrencies can take off for no apparent reason, but also be able to cut through the fat and do your own research is the point of this channel. So come along for your financial journey and come and help us get up to 100,000 subscribers. We're getting pretty darn close, 80% of the way there. I'd like to see 81,000 at the very least for this week. Thanks again for the people that make this show possible. I'm off to then now create a Binance link for you guys so you guys can get your own Shiba if you wanted to be able to jump in on the craze. You can click the link in the description down below to be able to jump into Shiba coin and so that you can learn a little bit more about how to be able to build out a crypto portfolio, not just jumping into the main coins, but also altcoins and perhaps even into NFTs. If you guys want to talk about non-fungible tokens and art in the crypto space, that's another avenue that we can go along. But I want to thank the people on the Moon Platoon, the Grillionaire tier, and the Space Legend tier for making the show possible. Those people, press the join button in the description down below or click the Patreon link in the description. So once again, thank you guys, and we'll see you on the moon. We'll see you in the money. Peace.